presenting the Mitsubishi 2022 Outlander ES. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are axle ratio, 5.694, 18x7.5J alloy wheels, 20x8J two-tone alloy, front bucket seats, fabric seat trim, radio, AM/FM 8.0 smartphone link display audio, welcome package, popular value package and accessory tonneau cover. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.